In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages in Framer. By the end, you'll know how to turn any piece of text into a clickable link that takes visitors to another page in your project, which is essential for navigation like headers, footers, and inline calls to action. Start by selecting the text you want to make clickable. On the canvas, click directly on the text layer so you're selecting the entire layer, not just editing the characters. A quick tip: if you see a blinking text cursor, press Escape once to exit text editing mode, or click the layer name in the left layers panel to ensure the whole text object is selected. You'll know you've got the layer when the right-hand properties panel shows its typography settings and general options. With the text layer selected, look to the right-hand properties panel for the link field. It may appear under a section labeled Link or Interactions, depending on your layout. Click into the empty link field. This tells Framer you want this text to behave as a link, and it opens up the options you can connect to. If you previously added any link, you can clear it first, then click the field again to start fresh. Next, choose the page you want to link to from your project. When you click the link field, Framer shows a drop-down of available destinations. Pick the page that matches where you want users to go, such as Home, About, or a specific landing page. If you have many pages, use the search inside the drop-down to find it quickly. Once selected, the field will display the page name, confirming the connection is set. Framer handles the click behavior automatically, so you don't need to add any code. A few helpful pointers as you do this: make sure the target page actually exists in your project and has a clear, recognizable name so you can find it in the list. If you duplicate pages frequently, double check you're linking to the correct version. Also, remember that the link is applied to the entire text layer, so if you need only part of a sentence to link, split your content into separate text layers first. You'll notice the text still looks like your chosen typography. If you prefer a visual cue, you can adjust the style, like color or underline, in the text settings so linked items stand out consistently across your design. That's all there is to it. Select your text, click the empty link field, and choose the page you want to connect. Now, your site flow will feel seamless and intuitive.